going into elections very soon, national elections. So the national budget, normally they vote on account to so it is not a detailed budget, it is a very basic budget. There are no new tax proposals, no new proposals coming in the budget when you are going into election. At least on the income tax front, ताणी आता दोन regime केले, old regime आणि new regime. आणि आम्ही as we are seeing की new regime ताणी चड भार दिला. So we are expecting that aja fude sudda they will make it more easier to go into new regime.
त्याच्या खाली there has to be a policy to attract inbound tourists into India. Countries are attracting willing the Indian tourists with free visa, less taxes. So एक असले की विजा जे प्रोसेस आसा तो सिम्प्लिफाईड करपा जाय आनी इफ पॉसिबल फ्री विजा केल्यार or visa on arrival केल्यार it can go long way into getting more tourists into Goa.
Also, we have asked for an increase in the rebate from 7 lakhs to 7.5 lakh rupees in the old scheme as well as the new scheme. Now with the this thing of GST also coming into the picture, that's the reason we have said can we try to rationalize this kind of TDS provisions. We have asked for if how can we help new businesses to register better. So in case there can be some kind of a portal where PAN, GST, TAN can be done together so that it becomes much more easier for a new kind of a person to come into the picture.